Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to address how to properly deal with and manage the new COVID-19 virus that is going around in the United States and all over the world, but I live in the US, so keep on watching. For those of you who don't know, my name is Sean. I am a licensed cosmetologist / booth renter in the state of West Virginia, and I've been doing hair for about 4 years. So unless you've been living under a rock, everybody knows there is a new virus going around. It is a new strain of one of the coronaviruses. This strain is known as the COVID-19 virus. And today we're going to be talking about how to protect yourself, protect your clients, vice versa, and what to be doing. So it's going to be a little sass because I can't believe we have to address this. And it's basic things that we're talking about here. So first thing, stop touching your face. Do not touch your face. Do not touch your face. That is how, whether it's cold, flu, whatever, most things you transfer to your face, it gets in because you've touched your face. So, step 1, we don't touch our face. Step 2, if you are a licensed stylist, check with your state laws and make sure you are complying with state laws on sanitation. You should be using an EPA registered hospital grade disinfectant or whatever your state allows you to use. Most of the time though, and if not, I think in all 50 states, it is a hospital grade disinfectant registered with the EPA. So you're definitely going to do that, and you're going to go above and beyond that. So what I would recommend is when you're sanitizing, your station needs to be before a client, after a client, in between clients, when you're bored, when you're not bored. You need to be sanitizing everything just to make sure nothing spreads. And especially in a salon, it's very easy to spread an illness. So definitely keep up with your sanitation, follow your state laws, and make sure you're using the right state-approved disinfectant in your state. So with the sanitation, you need to wash your hands. You have to wash your hands. I cannot believe that people ask, you have to wash your hands. You should be washing before a client, after a client, in between clients. You should be washing your hands all the time. Clean hands help get rid of germs, which means you're not spreading things. So, wash your hands. 20 seconds minimum. So sing happy birthday. And I feel so sassy about this because people are always touching their face and they don't wash their hands. And then they're like, well, how can we not be sick? You clean stuff. You wash your hands. You don't touch your face. It's very simple. Now, I understand it's a new virus. I understand people are scared and the whole kit and caboodle. So, try not to be in each other's faces as much as you possibly can. Because y'all shouldn't be breathing on each other. So, whatever you do, try to avoid that as much as you can. Next thing, do not wear a face mask. And the CDC has said this, unless you are caretaking of someone who has the new COVID-19 virus, you have it, showing symptoms, then wear a mask. If you don't have that, don't be wearing a mask. Next is to try to limit your contact with people. So if your clients are showing symptoms, or if you are showing symptoms of anything, you need to stay home. If you're a stylist, you need to stay home from work. If you're a client, you need to reschedule your appointment because hair is not that important. Especially with this new virus, it is very contagious. So, like, what are we doing? And all because there's a new virus does not mean that we should not wash our hands and not, cancel hair appointments when you're sick. So if you're showing symptoms of anything, whether it's the new virus or you just have a cold that's starting or a cough or whatever, cancel your appointment. I promise your stylist will thank you. And yes, it may suck to not get your hair done. But would you rather get your hair done, get your stylist sick, and then potentially next time you schedule, they aren't going to be there because you got them sick? And vice versa too. So, if you're sick, stay out of the salon. Don't go in. Do not go in. Please don't go in. I always tell my clients, if you are sick with anything, do not sit in my chair. Do not come in. I don't play around with sickness. I don't mess with germs. So, if you're sick, stay out. I will see you when you get better. Please get your rest. Take care of yourself. Next thing is stop panicking. I understand it's scary. And yes, this virus does scare me. It does worry me of the potential, especially for older clientele. If you have it, I do have some older clientele. A lot of the girls in the salon also have some older clientele. So watch out for them. Call them. See if they want to reschedule their appointment. Or if they are sick, be like, hey, I can reschedule you with everything going on. Get some rest, feel better. Check up on your elderly clients. They'll appreciate it. Next thing. Aside from limiting contact and all of that, you have to be transparent. You have to talk. And I'm not saying put your clients in a panic. Don't put your clients in a panic. Even if you're scared, which for me personally I am, because I don't want to be sick. I have no immunity to this virus. I don't know what it's going to do to my body or how I'm going to react to it. I try not to freak out for my clients. That way we keep the atmosphere chill. And chill is good around chaos. You need to breathe a little bit. So yeah, please do not put your clients in a panic attack while they are sitting in your chair. If you're that scared, go call somebody. Don't stress your clients out and make them panic. And yeah, and if your state comes to a time where it says, hey, we need to close everyone's doors until this virus is done, then so be it. But limit your contact, keep everything clean, wash your hands constantly, don't touch your face, cancel your appointments, or if you're getting your hair done, cancel your appointment with your stylist. If you're showing symptoms with anything, not just this new virus, but this new virus especially, check up on your elderly clients, make sure they're okay, and see if they want to reschedule. And also don't charge any fees for people canceling because of this virus. This is a pandemic. This is an issue. I would not recommend doing any fees because it's just becoming more of an issue with people catching it. So that's all I'm going to recommend. If you guys have any other suggestions, leave it down in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay clean, stay safe.